Senior Pastor, and Brother Rogie. Kasi nasa kids si Pastor Lucky. Ayan.
I needed to be humbled by the Lord. Every time nagpe-pray na ako, hindi na ako nagbo-boast. Lord, I pray and declare you will help me here, you will help me, ganon. Lord, alam ko tutulungan mo ako sa problema ko. I stayed silent.